In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment. So, in today's assignment, we have just like three files you may see. One is instruction file, one is supporting file, and other is solution file. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. It is open. Now simply click on enable editing. Okay. So before going to solve our assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. In today's assignments we have 17 points. Okay. So now I'm just going to solve step by step. First we will discuss the name of our assignment, that is Exp19 Excel Chapter 8 Cap Golden State 5K. Okay, here is project description, that what we have to do in our project. So you are a volunteer for a Golden State 5K, an annual 5K held across several cities in California to raise money for at-risk youth. As a part of your duties, you track donations, volunteer information, and raise result. This year, you have decided to use Excel to calculate frequency distribution by age and time, calculate various descriptive statistics, and forecast participation rate as well as donation rate 2025. Okay, so that were all just like project description, that what we have to do in today project. So our main part or there or graded part or start from here. In start, what we have to do first, we have to open the file that we have download from Pearson My Lab website. So first we have to open a solution file. Okay, it is open. Simply click on enable editing, then make this zoom. Okay, in our solution file we have three sheets, you may see. Okay, so in next part, what we have to do in question number 2, we have to ensure the race result worksheet is active. Okay, first we have to active race result worksheet. It is already active. Then use frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of race result in column D. Place your result in range G4 to G9. Okay, we have to paste our result in G4 to G9. Okay, by using frequency function. Where we have to use this function, then use frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution in column D. This is called okay. Frequency this is the data. Open this, and there is bin array. Bin array is this one that we have already. Now press OK. As you may see, this is done. After that, after solving question number 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. In question number 3, what we have to do, we have to put enter function in cell F22, calculate correlation between age column C6 and race column D. Okay, we have to first move toward F22. here we write F22, press enter. Okay, here we have to use correlation formula. So we have to write correl. Okay, now open this. Okay, what is first row? First row between column C and column D. First row is column C. So our column C is this. So we have to give this and then column D. This is column D. Okay, press enter. Okay, our correlation come. You may see. Simply use correlation function. After solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. Remembering that we are solving Exp19 Excel chapter 8 Cap Golden State 5K. Okay. After solving question 1, 2, 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. In question 4, what we have to do, we have to enter function in Ch08. Okay, come on here. First, we have to write Ch08, press enter. Okay, here we have to use function. What function we have to use? We have to calculate covariance between age and race time. Covariance. So we have to write equal co. So what formula we have to use? Coral, that is coral covariance. Covariance. Okay, this is covariance. Okay, then what range we have to give? We have to give age and race time. Okay, open this. Okay, first we will give age column, then in next we will give time column. Okay, press into. Okay, this is done. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. In question 5, what we have to do, we have to use enter function in H22. Okay, in H22, this is H22. You may see we have to put function here. What function we have to use? We have to use a variance function. So equal variance, VAR. Okay, there is variance. Okay, then what column we have to do in age data set? No, this is sample data. Okay, we have to give age data. So where is age data? This is age data. We have to give just this data to variance. Okay, this is done. So question number 5 is done. So in this way we will solve question number 6 onward toward just like 17 question. For that you have to just like contact with me if you need complete solution for this file, and if you need complete video solution you also contact with me. Remember that our rate will be reasonable, price will be reasonable, and your result will be 100% in each and every assignment. You may also contact with me for full course deal. I am available. And if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, account, you may also contact with me. Okay, we will meet soon with our next assignment. In today's video, we discuss Exp19 Excel Chapter 8 Cap Golden State 5K assignment. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So take care, bye bye, and best of luck for your future.